Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Google Docs. It is exactly similar to Microsoft Word, but the good points is that first of all, it is free, and secondly, it is not necessary to install any app or program. You can access online, and it is saved automatically. It is not like Microsoft Word needs you to go, for example, file and save your files in some places because it is cloud-based and saved on your Google Drive. So it is free and automatically saved, and easily you can share with your friends and collaborate with other people. It has lots of good features. It is exactly similar to Microsoft Word, but maybe you see, okay, there are lots of options here. I don't have lots of options here. You see that, okay, I have insert, draw, design, layout, references. You have similar menu in Microsoft, in Google Docs too. If you go there, edit, view, insert, and format, if you add. The most popular one that you need, all of them are available and it is free. So there is no worry about, okay, when I have Microsoft Word, I will access lots of options. Yes, actually, it is more user friendly and you will access lots of options, but most of them are not necessary, only for specific jobs. So in this point, I wanted to make you familiar that Google Docs is exactly similar to Microsoft Office, the same options you can access on the internet, but it is totally free. As you see, I have my resume, for example, formatted, tailored in Microsoft Office, desktop Microsoft Office Word. And it is similar. I have done the same job here in Google Docs. So you can easily do the same tasks and activities that you have done on Microsoft Office, desktop Microsoft Office on Google Docs. Now, we want to know how can we access Google Docs. As we mentioned, it is free. To access Google Docs, there are a few ways. I will close this one. First, and the easiest one is writing the link docs, as you see, docs.google.com. So as you can see, the easiest way is writing docs.google.com. You can access your documents on Google. But you should pay attention that you should have an account, an email account on Google. So the second way is your Gmail. When you are on Google web page and you are on Gmail, you can see your name or picture, Gmail here. There is a grid line here, Google app. You see this icon. If you click here, you will see here lots of tools, for example, Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Maps, Search. If you go down, you can see other more, for example, Classroom and Finance, lots of them. And forms, slides, PowerPoint, you see sheets. This is the same as Excel, Google Translate, slides. This is Microsoft PowerPoint. And one of them is Docs. And it is the same Google Docs. You can click and drag. If it is here, for example, it is here, you can click and drag and bring it up to access easily anytime that you need. So another way is your Gmail. When you go to your Google account and Gmail, here on the grid line, Google app, if you click, you can scroll down. If it is not here, then click on Docs. So this is another way to access. You see the same Docs, Google.com. The third option is Google Drive. When you have, you know that, when you have Google account, here as you see, you have Google Drive. Google Drive. If you click on your Google Drive, you see here or here, okay, if you click on new on Google Drive, you can access Google Docs. If you click on here, Google Docs, again, you will access Microsoft. If I click here, Docs Home, it again will show me the docs that I have in my Google Drive. So in the first chapter, we got understood that we can access Google Docs if we have Google account, Gmail or an email on Google through writing docs, google.com, or going to your Gmail account and this Google Apps or Gridline Docs, or through your Google Drive and clicking here new and access Google Docs. So easily you can click and access. In the second video, we'll learn step by step how to work, type, format, edit on Google Docs. Another point that I want to mention is that Microsoft Office has the same as Google Docs. You know, this is for Gmail. Google Docs is for Google. Gmail, when you go here, you click on your docs and access to it. So if you want, you can access Microsoft Office. Pay attention, Microsoft Office 365. This is only available online and it is free. It completely is different with Microsoft Office, for example, that you should buy it, pay money. So this is completely different. So if you go to microsoftoffice.com, www.office.com, or search for Microsoft Office free, as it is written here, sign up for free version of Microsoft 365. So it is free. It is on Microsoft platform. It is not on Google. It has the similar tools, for example, Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. When you have Outlook, pay attention. When you have Outlook, you can access to all these features. And the job that you are doing on Microsoft Office online platform, free, I mean the free version, it is exactly similar to Google Docs. The same activity feature. When you click here, for example, you access the options, the menu bar or the toolbar. It is exactly similar to this one, and you can work on Microsoft Office. The same feature that I am teaching here, you can use there. But this is on Google platform. That one is on Microsoft.